Oh, interesting. Hey, just catching up on some reading here. I find in history some things will just always pair well together, such as Romeo and Juliet, Oreos and milk, Demis and drugs, and Trump and prostitutes. Oh hey, welcome to another episode of Drunk Apron. Today, what is classic and pairs so well together? Peanut butter and jelly. What are we gonna do with that? Put that on some mini burgers. So to get started, we've got ingredients such as seasoning, salt, pepper. We've got some cumin, some garlic powder. We've got some Hawaiian sweetbread, because who the hell doesn't love that? Peanut butter, jelly, red onion, Swiss cheese, and some ground beef. Let's take this red onion here. We're just gonna put this into little slices. We're gonna make a red onion jam. So we're gonna take a little olive oil. We're gonna take all of our red onions, little salt, and some pepper. And what we're gonna do with this is we're gonna put it and start sauteing it till it gets a little translucent. After it's translucent, we're gonna add a little bit of water into it, and we're gonna let it just boil and reduce down, and then we'll add some of that grape jelly. This is the colorization we're trying to get from these red onions. We're gonna take a little bit of water, and we're gonna bring that to a boil. And once that's to a boil, we're gonna let it simmer. Lower the heat, let it simmer down till it's all caramelized and delish. So we're about almost done with what we want from these onions. So now we're gonna take our grape jelly, and we're just gonna give that, there you go, about 4 ounces of grape jelly. We're just gonna let that cook down, render down, and it's gonna caramelize on these onions, and we're gonna have some red onion grape jelly jam. We got our ground beef here. We're gonna season that with a little salt, a little pepper, we're gonna add some cumin and some garlic powder. Gonna get in there and just mix that all around. Nice. What we're looking for is little patties. Nine patties. Let's take our Hawaiian bread. We're just gonna chop that down the middle, and we're gonna toast these bad boys off. Breads are toasted. Just take those off, and we're gonna cook the burgers. Keep the pan nice and hot. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to cook these to medium well. Another 2 to 3 minutes. Add our Swiss cheese. We picked Swiss because Swiss has a nice little tang to it. It's going to complement really good with the sweet and savory. Sweet from the onions and jelly, savory from the peanut butter. Swiss cheese is melted, burgers are done. Let's put these things together. Let's put these little mini burgers together. Take some peanut butter. Sounds weird, but if you've ever tried it, it's delicious. Give that a nice amount on top. Okay. Gonna take our little mini burger right there. Gonna take some of that grape jelly red onion jam like that. And how simple was that? Does anybody have the time out there?
It's peanut butter jelly time.
I do.
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly.
Thanks for watching. Drunk Apron out.